ICOS is the Integrated Carbon Observation System. It's a research infrastructure, European, that is entering now in the third 5-year period, and is dedicated to the observation of greenhouse gases, exchanges and concentration in the 3 domains, in the ocean, in the ecosystem, and in the atmosphere. We have a network of stations that are operating in Europe, and not only in Europe, where we take measurements, and then these measurements are sent near real time to the thematic centers that are the center that coordinate each of the components. So we have an atmospheric thematic center, an ecosystem thematic center that I lead, and an ocean thematic center. Everything is shared through the ICOS Carbon Portal that is a unique point of access for all the data. We don't measure only the fluxes. I mean, to interpret correctly the fluxes, you need to understand also the state of the ecosystem, the climate, and everything that was happening around the ecosystem that exchanged greenhouse gases in a certain way. So we have a number of additional parameters that are measured, all in a very standardized way, all following a very community, let's say, developed protocol that then we apply in a very rigorous way in the stations, ICOS stations, that are more or less 100 at the moment. All our products are shared in this carbon portal. There is very easy to go there and get the data. So we have a lot of users now. The number of users is increasing, and you can go in our carbon portal, and we publish already the data collected the day before. So we have this near real-time product where you can really see how much carbon has been sequestered or released by ecosystem, by different ecosystems. We cover a large range of ecosystems from mires and wetland to cropland, grassland, forest, different type of forest. And so this data, together with all the other, we call ancillary data, so state of the ecosystem, these are really kind of general information that are always available. And it's clear that from a more biodiversity point of view, what we look is more this functional response of ecosystems and the possibility to track and see the effect, so that is the resulting effect of all the pressure in the basic, let's say, functioning of ecosystems, so the photosynthesis and respiration and the balance between the two. All our protocols are also published and they are accessible, so can be also used as a reference. And this is exactly where I try and I'm working on since years to put together and link the different research infrastructure. In Europe, we need to, there is a big investment on research infrastructure. We need to work closely together and have really an integration. That means, for example, that when there is a center that is an expert on something, this experience should be shared to all the others without that we replicate things. So it's a long process. It's something that is not so easy, needs time, because we are all at a different level of development, but it's for sure the direction that we have to take, and also the direction that Europe is asking to take.